Okay, so first things first, we're gonna draw a picture. We have a pole that's 3 meters tall. So let's draw a pole. There's my pole. It's 3 meters tall, so from here to here is 3 meters. And it casts a shadow. The shadow's on the ground. So here's the shadow. The shadow is 4 meters. Does everyone understand what I did there? You can imagine that this is a triangle, right? We're using similar triangles to solve this. Then there is a tree. So I'm going to draw a tree. That casts a shadow that is 15 meters long. We need to figure out the height of the tree. So I'm going to call this from here to here. This is X, and again, we can imagine that it's a right angle triangle. I've set it up so that they are in the same position so I can figure out which sides are corresponding. Just by looking at this, what's taller, the tree or the pole? The tree, because the shadow is longer. So we're going to set up our proportional statement. It doesn't matter what order you write this in as long as you're going from one triangle to the other. Anika. Equals 4 over 15 because we're going in the correct order. Okay, I could write it as 15 over 4 equals x over 3. I could even write it as x over 3 equals 15 over 4. All of these are equal. Doesn't matter what order you write it in, as long as you are lining up the ratios correctly. Cross multiply. X times 4 is 4x. 3 times 15 is 45. What do I have to do to both sides? Divide by 4. So x is equal to what? 11.25 meters. So the height of the tree is 11.25 meters. Does that make sense if the shadow is 15 meters? It's reasonable. It makes sense. That's it.